Welcome to this Class 52 diesel hydraulic locomotive in marine livery. This brief introduction will go through the start, stop and passenger procedures. Before getting started, some of the controls must be set in the rear cab, so head over and climb aboard. To allow fuel to flow to the engines, the fuel transfer pump isolating switch must be set. There are two engines in this locomotive, and each one must be activated. A handbrake is located in each cab, and they both need to be released before moving. Everything's now set in the rear cab, so head to the front cab and continue preparations. Continue the startup process by setting the battery isolation switch. As in the rear cab, set the fuel and isolation switches. A lot of time will be spent in the driver's seat. The master key is used to activate the control desk. Set the reverser in preparation to start the engines. This locomotive features two separate engines that are started independently. Start with the first engine. Now that the first engine is running, start the second one. Headlights are important in letting others around know that a locomotive is operational. Give a quick glance at the platform to ensure all is safe, then unlock the doors. It's time to get going. Set the doors to locked. To charge the brake system, set the brake control appropriately. The brake pipe will take a moment to charge. This can be observed by watching the brake dials. To set the direction of travel, use the reverser. With the startup procedure complete, release the remaining brakes. Increase the throttle to start moving. Do not apply too much power too quickly. It's important to provide a smooth ride for passengers. With the train now moving, it's possible to apply more power, and focus can be diverted towards achieving a desired speed. Coasting is on the approach to Donifold halt. Start applying a small amount of brake force to achieve a comfortable stop. As before, unlock the doors to allow access to the train for any passengers wishing to board or alight. Good work. That concludes all the basics of this locomotive.